and gentlemen, good afternoon, and thank you to be here as a tradition in Paris Motor Show at the Ferrari stand. We are facing a very important moment of Ferrari because, first of all, we are at the end of a very important year, and despite international crisis, we are particularly pleased of our results, particularly in new markets and new countries like China, Far East and Middle East. And also because a part of the Ferrari heart is very close to competitions, as you know better than me. We are also pleased that in Formula One we have won 3 of the last 5 Grand Prix. So it's better than nothing, and we still hope at the end of the year to try to win again the championship, as has been since more than 60 years the Ferrari challenge every single season. We are here today with few important news. First of all, I like to present to you what I call a technologic romantic car, because it's the car that we present today to celebrate 80 years of Pininfarina. Pininfarina has been always and still is very close to Ferrari in terms of design, and this car is called SA Aperta, S for Sergio Pininfarina, A for Andrea Pininfarina, and we are very pleased to dedicate this tribute to Pininfarina with this car. This is a completely open car, very innovative, with a huge aerodynamic research, and we will build only 80 examples to celebrate 80 years. We are sorry for many Ferrari collectors, but we cannot do more, and this is not only the name, but is a car in terms of design, in terms of technology that we want to dedicate to Pininfarina. All the 80 SA Aperta are already sold, but anyway, it was a good opportunity to show to you this car again, beautiful, innovative, and that is really a Ferrari. Then we are here with the California, stop and start. The California, with a double color, California is really a very important success all over the world. And what we are particularly proud is California is by far the leader in the top car and the segment in terms of ecology. We present a car that will improve 23% in terms of emissions, and our goal is before 2012, in less than 2 years, to improve 40% of reducing emissions. Reducing emissions is still for us a priority. Priority in the cars, but also priority at home. We were the first ever automotive factory to install our own tri-generation plant, which reduced CO2 output of 40%, and this put Ferrari in condition to beat the Tokyo standards 10 years early. So these are the two important news, and of course this is a 458 Italia, a very complementary 8 cylinder. This is a huge GT2 plus 1, because there is 1 seat in the back, and this is a racing car. So this is our world, and of course the 599 that is in the back is our traditional sport 12-cylinder car. We are here in Paris also because we have introduced a lot of innovation in terms of personalization of the car. 100% of Ferrari are already personalized by the single clients. And we are now present in 57 markets with more or less 200 dealers. But from this coming January, we will open also India, so we will be there in 58 countries in the world. Last but not least, our activities is very strong also in brand and licensing, and we have a margin of 50 million euro, around 20% of the total margin from brand and licensing and from internet. This is Ferrari today. A company that is looking ahead with a huge investment in products, in technology, thanks also to the best partners in the world in the single sectors. This is important for us in Maranello to have the window open to the world, to the innovative technology, co-design, partnership with the best suppliers. We will continue our activity in the hybrid car. We will be ready, as we said in Geneva, with the first Ferrari hybrid car with curves, with everything, in 3 years from now. And we are busy, as I said at the beginning, to try to win the championship with Fernando Alonso, with the Formula One, that still represent for us an important, crucial innovation for our cars. Next year, cars will be back in Formula One, and we have intention to use it for our future cars. Next year, we will have some new cars, and every year we try investing a lot in the product to present new cars and new initiatives, new ideas. Thank you very, very much for your attention. If you want to order a Ferrari, there is a nice table over there. There are colors, interiors, models. Welcome. Thank you again. Bye.